Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Go check out the video, leave your comments, and remember to subscribe to the channel as always. And remember, have a wonderful day. God loves you, and I love you. Stay tuned.
Leggy, if him got to support Dana, why him not around that? He knows exactly. Of course he know him I do. Of course, I just the name him I live off of. Why he never stay in England and bake his... Me not know.
On the year?
That a film problem.
But them say it, not me. I never say it. Not me say it.
With the over there. Happy lady, Leggy Chris shirt. What? Happy lady, Leggy Chris shirt. Me don't know what that person mean. Me don't know what that person mean. That person I forgot type again because I don't understand that part there. Yeah.
Mix up, darling.
Nobody can block me over. The only person can block me at 99. So when I say, it hurt to know. That's how I know say uno no read or uno no pick up on nothing. People uno stop give trouble upon Leggy live. Nobody now give me no trouble upon my life. The people them alright. Me I read the people them upon Fear live. I'm reading her live. Uno just not hear it coming out put it upon it.
You know what?
No black nobody. No black nobody.
See something.
Ashanti do a shirt and use DMG. Why input YMK? Him know him a do. Him know him good. That's why bad to bad. I cannot say nothing right now about Ashanti. You understand me? No.
Oh, he want to sell his shirt.
Because even before him do the t-shirt, he did go up on the live and say he's not sure if he should do it. He even did have conscience. Back to back. He come on the live and said, I don't know if I should do it, you know. And then he just surprised.
I cannot be bothered.
So when people are cuss Chris, one of us stop defending because he want people to cuss him because he did this on purpose. Because he knows that this is going to be talked about. Remember him always said he know how to make people talk about him. And he know how to make 2,000 and 3,000 and 4,000 people go up on him live. So he know exactly what he's doing. He know exactly what he's doing.
Well, you're not saying...
Yeah? Alright. So nobody not come tell me nothing. Nobody not come tell me nothing. Nobody now get no block over 99 page. As long as you know disrespect 99, you're not getting block over there. The whole of uno free for talk no mind about anything where you sip on the live. Anything where you sip on the live. A dumb business when nobody wants to say. Me never tell 99 to stop talk, but me never tell 99 to stop talk to Chris. Me never say that. Me just say keep your eyes open. Chris put her for sit down, you know, see. You know watch the live. You know watch the live, you know see. Chris put her down for sit down at her own event. That him never build. You know see. Him plan it with him friend them, he never plan it with 99. That's how me block Anne Marie. Cause uno love make excuses for people. But she plan, does that look like she planned it with him? Then if she did plan it with him, don't you think she would be down there with him? I tell you, say the man in a competition with her. And if she not open fear eye, then she not, that's why she not tell him, because she not trust him. That's why she said, Nanolin, don't tell him. And the man still reach back underneath her batty wall. And him have purse. I'm glad to say, oh man, come here, never go carry them enough. You know how much money can't stop purpose. We see people that cost can't stop purpose. You know how much money can't stop purpose give to that lady and una class her up? Eh? You know how much $100 can't stop purpose donate and give to 99? I see someone on it in the comments that class her up because of her own opinion. I don't know, $50, $100, sometimes all $200 upon the same day. Can't stop purpose even give me money, and I'd even ask her to come to my life when she's ready. I'll
Okay, we are that, darling.
ready. Me never come on live and say she for stop talking. Me say she for keep her eye out. Me say she for keep her eye out because me know what I go on. Me know what I go on. She said you're good, and his response was, "Are you
You're too
good?"
lie.
Yeah.
Oh, well, I'm not too live.
But I did have my family say, you know what? I said my family, I said to myself, say, yeah, me I go buy some t-shirt down there, and me I go support. Me just call him up and said, no, go down there. Me said, no, go down there. Them say, what you mean? Them say, no, you don't see Chris down there. They say, what? My family members did that go down there. Then they dip on the road for ready for come and tell him to turn back and go on them yard. But tell him the money where you did I go spend down there, you give them when she do pudding season. Me tell him that. Just because me see the boy go down there. Yeah, that's because me see the boy go down there. Yeah. Enough, man.
You're too lie.
Me not business right now. Me not business. You notice that me not dip on him live. Me not dip on him live. I don't care. Me do pan film live. I don't care. That's how me want Sophia Dunkley for beat him and rub him out. I don't business. Me I call her name today. I want Sophia Dunkley for dip on him and cuss him. Yeah. I want her for rub him out. Come and listen to her live when she talk about Your Majesty, not about Dana, but about him. And every word she said about him are true. That is the only thing me I go agree with her upon that. When it comes to Chris, everything she talk about Chris are true. And when she talk about him again, me I go play for your life, for my life too. When she talk about him. You wait.
Lord, I cannot be bothered.
The woman don't even get to walk around with her tour, with her yellow bus tour. You just come, kick it to it from her. So, come.
I don't feel that one the truth and the truth. I want to feel
99 vibes broke, no blood. You look like she want the day for Orpa and over now. Yellow bus done long time.
How do you guys feel about
Yellow bus done long time. Oh, and 99 now come out and say nothing, you know. But she read the comments and in her HSC, you know, say that's true.
So I don't know like the video.
She's surprised. She never knows that gonna happen. I never believe it, but it's so plain today straight. Yeah, me tell you, Becky, anybody who did have a little inkling in their head say he's genuine toward him, see today. 99 for read the comments and mind our business. And
like up the video, guys.
He even gone and you know see him knows him rub him out. Him knows him rub him out. And him come to me live what day. Cause him a look follower. Like people that got blood cleat follow him. You think he don't know who enough rub him out? The man know but him not answer cause he knows him more peppery just like for him.
And mine, very peppery too.
Very go down in and eat for him. You think me care if him have person for no person, I will hit him where it hurts. Cause one thing with me, you know, I will find something when I know about blood clot you and bust it, you know. And I will stay upon it.
I want to back to the one I can call my phone. Hold on. Hello? Hello? Oh, it's the Countess. Countess! What's up? Are the Countess the backside? Hello, Countess. Countess of London, Nikki. She's on the phone. Oh, we're not hearing the Countess. We're not hearing the Countess. We're not hearing the Countess. Countess, we're not hearing you, darling. Call back, darling. Call back.
Can you hear the Countess?
Oh, yes, we're hearing you now, Countess. What's up?
Hi, honey. You don't see that dirty Bigfoot Celeste can ever come on, darling. Because she know that I'm ready to spill her tea. His tea, the Bigfoot tea.
Who's Celeste?
You understand?
Who's Celeste? Tell the audience who's
sorry?
Celeste. Tell the audience who's Celeste.
Who?
Tell the audience who is Celeste.
The dirty, washed-up queen used to be here in London, Bigfoot Chris. You know, everything people say about him. I remember I said this last week before everybody keeps saying, oh my God, Countess is right. Everybody, Countess is right. I keep saying it. He's scared of me. I want the showdown. Because I would spill everything about him.
Oh, Lord.
He's not loyal to nobody. He's not. You understand? Remember, as I told you people, he co-reached my wig. Because we were doing a show here in 1999 when I was doing